안녕하세요. So today, one of my students asked me, what is the difference between 에게서 versus 한테서? So yeah, let's study this part. So first one is, so this one is this grammar point for the beginners. For the beginners, this one is more like the topic one, two, one or two this level, and the meaning is it's a really simple. So 에게서 and 한테서, which means from someone. So the is a from someone, from someone what? Like if I load it down the detailed way, the source of starting point of an action, object, information, etc. Like coming from a person or an animal. So, and yeah, so is this one making sense? Then simply, 에게서 is for more formal, but 한테서 is a more casual. So in Korean, when I say the formal or casual, the formal, which means more like the simply you can imagine you wear the like suit, like also wear the wears, or simply you can imagine about wear the suit or wear a like, how do I say, like dress shoes, like formal suit. So like when you're like giving a presentation, like or can be the business setting. So something like you have to wear the formal suit. Maybe that would be, yeah, it would be helps make sense. So and next one is 한테서 is a casual. This one is simply like, yeah, every day. Every day, I mean, when you talk with your friends, like parents, like this, like everyday situation, then you can use the 한테서. So again, so 에게서 and 한테서, yeah, both means from someone simply, but depend on situation, you have to choose either 에게서 or 한테서. So, for example, let me give you more details about the source of a starting point of an action, object, information. Let me give you more detailed information. So the first situation is when you're receiving something. Like for example, oh, like my mom. So I got this one I got the water bottle from my mom. And the second case is receiving information. Oh, like where did you heard this news? Oh, I heard it from someone, right? Yes, so from someone. And the third case is, yeah, learning something. When you learn something from, again, yeah, from someone. And next one is also when you're receiving contact. Contact means like phone call, text, or email, like message. So any type of this one, we also say like, oh, I got a phone call, I got a text as a text message from, yeah, someone. And Yeah, so I think this for would be the useful one. So let me give you example. For the first one is I can say 친구에게서 or 한테서 책을 받았어요. So what does that mean? So 친구에게서 or 한테서 from friend, right? From my friend 책을 받았어요. I received a book, right? So that's why it becomes I received a book from my friend. So again, it's become like from someone, right? From someone. And next one is the second case is receiving information. Also, you can say 친구에게서 or 한테서. Of course, depend on context, right? Is it yeah, like formal situation or casual situation? So 친구에게서 or 한테서 yeah, let's say like this. 재미있는 이야기를 들었어요. So what does it mean 재미있는? 재미있, which means to be fun. 이야기 is like story, and 들었어요 is heard it. So is, which means becomes like I heard an interesting story from my friend, right? So far, does that make sense? Does it make sense? It just keep mentioning from someone, right? So 에게서 and 한테서. And next case is learning something. For example, you can say, also I can say, like 저는 선생님에게서 or 한테서 문법을 배웠어요. So how do you translate this one? 문법, which means grammar. So you can say this one would be I learned Korean from my teacher. I learned, the grammar from my teacher. So again, from whom? From my teacher, right? 선생님에게서 or 한테서. So 문법을 배웠어요. So and the next one is this is the last case, receiving contact, phone call, text, email, message, etc. For example, you can also say 친구에게서 or 한테서 전화가 왔어요, which means I got a call from my friend. So yeah, and let's check in again. First, 에게서 한테서 means from someone, which is the source of starting point of an action, object, information, etc. Right? So coming from a person or an animal. So yeah, number one case, the first case is receiving something. So 친구에게서 or 한테서 책을 받았어요. I received a book from my friend. So receiving information. So 친구에게서 한테서 재미있는 이야기를 들었어요. So I heard an interesting story from my friend. Yeah, just in case the people don't understand this one, here's a 재미있다, to be fun, and 이야기 is story, and 는, this one we call noun modifier. None is called non-modifier. And the third case, learning something. 저는 선생님에게서 or 한테서 문법을 배웠어요. I learned grammar from my teacher. And the last case, receiving contact, phone call, text, email, message. So 친구에게서 or 한테서 전화가 왔어요. Yeah. So then as you can see, like 친구에게서, 선생님에게서, yeah, again the 친구에게서, yeah, 친구에게서. So as you can see, 에게서 and 한테서 both are combined with, yeah, the after noun. We use the 에게서 or 한테서, right? Right? Because it's a from someone, right? So it should be noun plus, yeah, 에게서 or 한테서. So yeah, then yeah, hope this lesson help you understand better 에게서 and 한테서. So yeah, so if you have any question or if you want to make any sentences here, so yeah, please write a comment. So 네, 감사합니다.